Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this model 245 RL. It's a Jayco 2019 Jay Flight series, and it's going to be an awesome addition out there in the marketplace because it's not very long, but it features a nice deep slide out, and it has a lot of living area in there in the back, more surprising than you think. We'll start in there as a matter of fact, and we'll finish up on the outside. We'll start with the big deal about this whole floor plan. Two real key things that kind of come out at you if you look at the camera. Look at all that counter space that you do have access. Most travel trailers, especially rear lounges, don't have a lot of counter. So you've got all these new counters that Jayco put in with this kind of a sealed one-piece approach. It's really, really cool and nice and effective for cleaning and maintaining. You do have storage overhead, so you've got a really nice height in this travel trailer. Wood frame, of course, and it makes it for real nice for those taller kids out there too, and adults. You've got your table here with the booth that makes into an optional bed, as well as this this couch here makes into a jackknife sofa bed that sleeps this way. But if you look at it and everything, it's actually pretty wide in the back end of here, giving you room to sit 3 adults really comfortably and sit maybe a bundle of kids. You do end up having in the kitchen area a high-rise faucet with a fold down here feature. Does have some more storage down below there, you can see. The oven, the gas stove top up here, and then your microwave, air conditioning does have the refrigerator does have the little bit larger capacity to it, as opposed to 6. I believe it's an 8 cubic foot, which is nice. Your air conditioning being ducted throughout the coach is nice. It does have a place here blocked in so you can put a TV. The entertainment center right here will play DVDs and maybe even play things like on your smart devices and stuff like that. I see it does have a couple of SD or a couple of little chargers here, USBs. So again, storage here that you can use inside the kitchen area if you don't need it for movies and stuff. And we also have another little storage area right here down below. That's when you first walk into your left. The bathroom here, which is in the middle. You'll see it's got kind of a ability to get to it from both sides. You got that curved shower, makes it nice and big. You're also going to have that sink in there, and also a medicine cabinet here that you have. The toilet's easy to get around, so if you have long legs, you got plenty of space there. And then you got the shower, which you may see that. You've seen those before like that, with a little shelf and a place for soap. And then the sink. In your master bedroom here, you do have storage, soft storage that can go up top there, and your shirt closets over on both sides, and then also having your nightstands on both sides with plug-ins. So we'll kind of head on to the outside and see that this is pretty well equipped and set up for being a pretty small RV. This also has the Baja edition, so the big deal on that is that it does have bigger tires and wheels, and they are Goodyear brand, so it makes it nice as well for your warranty. As we go down, you've got your grab assist handle, your power awning that covers a large area of the patio. You do have this area here for additional storage that's on the outside as well. And then the Baja comes with a little bit of extra diamond feature there, bigger freshwater tank and such. You have your ladder on the back, LED lights outside as well, your power supply and your cable. Outside shower here, your black tank flush and your city water connection. This is going to be a key. I apologize, this came in, so I don't have the key for that one yet, but that goes all the way through, and you do have a light on the outside here as well as on your power tongue jack to help for hooking and unhooking. Your larger tanks that come with that Rocky Mountain edition and the Baja. And then you can see from here that it does go all the way through that one door that was locked over there. They also have a speaker that you'll see now that works with these awning arms. It makes it nice too. It's a new feature. I can look into that for you, and if you have any more questions, you can give me a call at the number at the end of this video. I'm Tom Peterson, been here for 28 years. Love what I do. It's a blast, you guys. Get out there and do some camping. I'd love to help you with that. Again, any questions, give us a call. If you know one thing about Guaranty is that we have a large volume of products. We'll take great care of you after the sale, and we always recommend that you do get your coach checked every 2 years for the roof and all that. We have free roof inspections twice a year. So again, any questions, give us a call. Tom Peterson, Guaranty RV. Thank you.